And sweetheart, this is the second time I live in the city, they say. It will be fun, they say. You hear this noise? I can't take it. But just move, I'm ready for move already. Hey beauties, it's Viviana, and today I want to do a silk press, but without the press. I guess like a Dominican blowout, but without the blowout. I'm basically trying to get my hair as straight as possible without heat. So I came across these curlers called the hourglass curlers, and you can see they are shaped like an hourglass, like a really chunky hourglass. And apparently it is designed for natural hair because it has these little knobs on them to help to grip, texture the hair so that, you know, it can roll with more tension on it. Because that's one issue I've always had, a problem with the magnetic, I let them call it magnetic rollers, the smooth ones. Those, every time you try to roll natural hair on it, it just slide off and it just don't have no grip.
He never felt some rollers with some grip in it.
It's been on TikTok too long. So the thing is, I've already attempted to film this video once before, and as soon as I started doing my hair, I quickly realized that 3 packs alone wasn't going to work, and it didn't make sense. I continued the video, so I went and ordered 3 more packs of these hourglass rollers, and each pack has 6 rollers in there. Yeah, this should be enough now. So my plan of action is I'm gonna first apply these rollers, and I'm hoping that after I pull out these rollers, my hair will be sleek but in chunky curls. But then I'm hoping that by doing a wrap with my sleek chunky curls and tying it down, my hair will then set straight. In my head it works, okay?
Here we go.
So right now my hair is freshly washed, and it should still be damp because I wrapped it up in plastic to, you know, slow down evaporation. So the first thing I'm gonna do is to section out the middle piece, and I'm gonna try and get it to a smaller width than these rollers. So yeah, that's the aim, so that everything nice and neat. Yes, honey. Now the question is what products to use. I have my water with conditioner mix, my product, now detangle. So I've seen persons wrap the front roller both behind and also wrap it like under. I think I'm gonna go with behind. So yeah, I'm gonna hold it like this. Brush it through again, make sure it's nice and smooth. There. And the grips are definitely helping. Yeah, okay. So I'm just making sure to put a little tension on it. And that's the first roll. So to accompany these rollers, I also bought these pins, and these are sold separately, but they are needed to hold the curlers in place. So I'm supposed to stick them in. Yeah, and it's supposed to hold the rollers in place. So the ends kind of seem a bit sharp though, so hopefully it don't joke me. And let's now add the stick. Okay. It hold. Okay. It hold. It hold. Yes. I think it might need a little more tension though. A little more tension. Okay. I was seeing a little wavy here at the side, so I knew that section needed a little more tension, because however you set the hair is how it's gonna dry. So if you see waves in the hair before you even allow the hair to dry, it's gonna dry with waves. So yeah. Well, this stick in the way of my next roll, so I'm gonna have to just ease this out a little bit. Okay. Alright, that wasn't okay. I didn't plan for that. Alright, here on. I have to find a way to catch this, and then I'm hoping by the time I do the second. Okay, alright, we're gonna get past this. We can do this. Or, alright, let's let this go. Let's do the second one first. Catch it. And then do the first one. Okay, we're gonna work this out. Yeah man, we're gonna work it out. So let's go back to the first one. Okay, that one done. And then re-stick the pin in. So complicated. Or maybe I'm complicating it more than it needs to be. I tend to do that. My hand tired. Oh, yeah. I think this one should roll up. I should have done the same technique where I do the second one first and then do the first one so that I can stick the pin in both of them. Alright. Now we know. Now we know.
What were you saying?
I was saying that there's a... Ooh! Thank you! You see what I found?
What?
took a long time. I really don't think I did a bad job for my first time. Like, oh, by the way, I have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of these rollers. 4 packs. As you can see, I can barely move my head. It's like, whoop. I mean, yeah, the hair dryer is heat, but it's not direct heat, so technically speaking, it doesn't count. However, my head is sore, and I need to take these out of my head. Seriously.
Black woman.
Babe! Look at my hair!
You go film the final thing now?
No, it's not going to be the final thing. I'm going to wrap it to try and get it stretched. But you see how it, like, the strands are kind of straight if I pull it like this. So I'm going to try and wrap it around my head now to try and get it to stay straight instead of curl.
Okay. Look at it to be some hairstyle.
I really can't. Oh Lord, this is gonna be one task. I really hope it doesn't get too frizzy. Alright. Wish me luck. Seriously though, like if I can get my whole head to be this smooth after I comb it out, we're on a roll. We are onto something. Like I'm gonna regret doing the wrap part. After seeing how frizzy my ends were last night, I'm kind of worried that my hairstyle has already peaked. I feel as though after I pulled my hair out of those rollers, that was probably the straightest it would have gotten. Like, I feel as though I shouldn't have used the wide tooth comb to comb out the curls. Maybe I should have used a paddle brush. If I dirt, I dirt. Some sheen spray. Yeah. I knew my ends weren't going to get back to where they were. Yeah, I knew it. I think we were onto something, but it needs a little tweaking, a little do-over. If you guys have any suggestions on what I should do differently, be sure to leave it down in the description. In the description box? No. So, if the ends had kept as nice and neat as it was when I pulled out the rollers, ooh, girl. Plus, because I didn't really add a lot of moisturizer, my hair is a bit dry. It's dry. I also know that, yeah, I'm gonna need a little trim. But that's for a different day. That's for a different day. That's for a different day, people. Ugh. Regrets. I could have had my hair in those, you know, big, luscious curls right now. Ugh. Or maybe with some different products, I would have gotten the ends to be less frizzy. So many regrets going through my mind right now. So many what ifs. But whatever. Whatever. But anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think I'm going to wait until my hair is like under my boob to actually straighten it. Like, so that's like an next 3 inches or so before I flat iron my hair. Yeah. Yeah. I'm still not in any rush. I still don't feel an urge to flat iron my hair. In this Jamaican heat, in this Jamaican humidity, it probably only lasts like half a day and then go back to this. So, yeah, I'm not looking forward to wasting a whole day flat ironing my hair for it not to last any time. So, yeah. Anyway, beauties, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and give me a thumbs up if you did, or, you know, give me a thumbs down if you didn't, I guess. Anyway, beauties, thanks again for watching. Later!